What I'm doing is I'm just trying to get look my pretty. And now we're gonna go see what Connor is. Connor is on that sidewalk, on that fence, walking around like a daredevil. I'll try to keep steady, but I'm not very good at videoing. No. Oh, Connor fell. Oh, it died.
I went on purpose.
It died. Damn. Is it recording?
Yes. Out here trunk or treating. I don't look decorated enough, I guess, to give out candy, so haven't had anybody but my own kids come by.
I'm waiting for the message that I can go.
Going around, so.
Can I go?
Go for it.
Thank you.
What does a beautician use to style a ghost's hair? Scare dryer.
Did you get all your candy?
Hey,
if you
do a trick, we'll give you extra candy.
Yeah, if you do a trick, you can get candy, but not
Boom.
other than that.
No, that's snapping. That's not a trick.
With my friends last year, we made like a pyramid at a person's house, and they gave us extra candy.
Ew.
Or just candy because we're teenagers and we were trick-or-treating. I like my glasses.
That's my glasses, Aiden. Pretty snazzy. I can't see anything with these on.
Hey, we're getting ready. It's Saturday. We gotta be out of the Airbnb tomorrow. We don't get back in the new Airbnb until Tuesday afternoon. Today we've gotta have temporary living on the boat again, which isn't bad except for it's complete chaos and mess and projects in the middle of things getting done. So trying to get everything done here so we can enjoy Halloween today too. Happy Halloween.
We made it here to the boat. Now we gotta clean up the boat, get it ready to unload the vehicles. So,
as you can see, our boat right now is a work in progress. It's kind of messy, but that's what moving is. We'll clean it up. It's been a long day, and I've been working on waxing the front of the holes for 5 hours, but I got it done. So here's what it looks like. All shiny. I did from front over there all the way to the front over here. Got this side done too. So we're all done with the outside. I'm Clark Kent, boys. I'm Superman.
And we're about
You
to
don't know
go
that.
out.
moving back in to the boat today. Unloading, getting settled.
Very messy.
It's looking a lot better than it was before.
Okay, this is move number 567. We have just embarked on a new quest. We are going to another Airbnb, and this one should be bigger and have more rooms and have a sufficient amount of beds for all of us. And yeah, we're moving again, so it should be fun. We're here.
Today is Ty's birthday. We are.
That's Tom's mom.
Oh.
I don't want that way.
Hey, we're gonna break into a place. Let's go. What? They're weird. They don't like breaking into places that say caution. Wait. Can you see it? Yes, you can. Okay, let's go.
Our first attempt to go to the beach has been denied, so we are going to. We'll go find another entrance to the beach to celebrate Ty's birthday. Happy birthday, hun. Sign says tortoises, so let's see if we can see. Anything there?
It's probably he's hiding inside his shell. Yeah, he's hiding inside his shell.
The water is cold. I like warm water. What is it?
A puffer fish.
Ding ding ding.
I told her already.
The rain is telling us it's time to leave the beach. It is cold, it is wet, it is windy, and it is raining. And it is cold. And did I mention it's cold?
It's like almost 70 degrees.
Yeah.
It's like freezing.